Hey guys, I got 5 guys. Honestly, I can't believe, and I look good. See, this will happen when you take care of yourself and you go get some vitamin D. I woke up this morning, let me tell you, while I open this because I'm starving. It's actually my first meal of the day, I'm not gonna lie. Also, this was requested. The style of the video, well, not the long part. Let me know if this works out for you guys. If it doesn't, I'll never do this again, meaning this long way instead of the horizontal way. I just wanted to get my whole body in it, so that's why I did it this way. I'm starving, but yeah, I woke up this morning so depressed and I didn't want soda, so I got Arizona green tea. Thirsty. Hold on, I left my. So yeah, woke up mad depressed today, but got myself together. You know, creating content I enjoyed a lot, and when I'm sad, sometimes I don't want to do it. And it's not like work where I got PTO and I could say, oh, I'm sick today, take the day off and still get paid. Also, I'm not getting paid on YouTube yet, so please subscribe. Please. But anyway, yes, this was a requested video. Got my little toesies out. Sun's out, toesies out. I got, you see my little pedicure? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Took a really nice long shower. But anyways, I'm yapping. Let's eat. I'm starving. Cheers. But yeah, how's everyone doing? Because life has definitely been lifing lately, right? But this is it. This is all I need to make me happy. Look at these trees behind me. Obviously, there's a little background noise, so sorry about that. But I just wanted to take the opportunity to be outside. I do have to work later. Wow, look at that bird just soaring. I wish I could do that. Look at this burger, though. I haven't had a burger in so long. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? I'm so grateful for this day. Bless this food. I don't do this often, but I will start because I'm so grateful right now. The way I woke up this morning and the way I chose to turn my day around. God bless this food, let it nourish my body and prepare me for the rest of the day. Amen! This is crazy. Oh my god. Can you see it? Oh, when it's ice cold, not ice cold, but you get the point. Cold, fresh out the fridge. Yes. And because I was all sad this morning and depressed, I didn't want to leave my house just yet. I'm gonna have to leave later to go do a pop-up for work, but yeah, I don't want to leave my house yet, so got this thing, Uber Eats, Uber Eats it. You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you one thing. Food makes me happy. That's why I said I need to start praying, because I might be sinning. Gluttony is a sin, you know. I like to eat. What do you want me to do? It's not my fault. Girls gotta eat. It's got little fries. And there's still some in the bag. You already know. You already know how they do. It's like, I appreciate the generosity, but easy. Y'all be doing too much. Might as well tell him. I like the white. I never used to get the white pedicure. Still got my same pink nails. Still doing good. My legs hairy. Maybe a little bit. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hopefully you can't see that close. Don't judge me. Oh my god. Why it hit so crazy? It's hitting. Thank you guys for watching. Honestly, I'm just thinking about you guys while I make this video, and like, obviously I do this for you, so, and that makes me happy too. As long as I'm making you guys happy, it does make me happy. That's why, honestly, sometimes like I'd be like, girl, I'll be going through it, like whoever's watching, I'll be going through it. So like, I don't always want to do stuff. It's just a depression. It's okay. I also have really bad anxiety. Excuse me. But it's like, what was I gonna say? Hold on. It's like with anything, right? Like, whether you're not in the mood, in a bad mood, or just being lazy, sometimes you don't want to do stuff. So like, sometimes I don't want to do stuff for whatever reason, but then once I do it, I feel so much better. It could be making a video, it could be going to the gym, it could just be like literally like running errands, going outside. Like, once you get out there and do it, whatever it is that you have to do, you feel so much better. Even if just stepping out the house, that's an accomplishment. It's better than not doing shit all day. It's better than being in your bed all day soaking and really staying miserable. Like, we all have feelings, but you gotta get through it somehow. So you have to, like, me too with my anxiety, like, sometimes I literally have to tell myself, like, just get up and do it. Like, stop thinking about it. You keep thinking about it, you ain't doing nothing. You just thinking and you doing something, but you ain't doing nothing. Nada. No bueno. No good, my friend. It's no good. Excuse me. I'm not even drinking soda and I'm still burping. You're welcome. No, but seriously, thank you guys. You guys really make my day. Not the rude comments, because I see y'all too. But you still watch the video, so thank you. Period. I don't care. That's one thing that I don't care about, is like a hater or what people have to say negatively. It's like, you're not my vibe. This is Eat, Vibe, Love. Not bad vibes. We eating good food with good vibes, spreading good love. And that's it. Got the birds singing. Speaking of background noise, I had to take down my last video. I worked so hard on that one. Like, what? It took me like an hour to edit that video, but there was too much because I was eating out. If you caught it, you caught it. I know some of y'all caught it before they like violated me and I had to unlist it. But there was too much music in the restaurant. I knew it was gonna happen too, because if you saw the video, you heard what I said. This might get copyrighted. I don't know yet. Sure did. I knew it was gonna happen, but I tried it anyway. Now I'm down a video. Y'all could have got 3 videos this week, or 2 videos this week, or whatever. The sun went away. Nice little breeze though. Washed my hair today. Shaved under my arms. I was a mess. Could have been worse, but you know, you get the point. I'm much better now. Good news. I know how to make a seafood boil now. My mom taught me on Mother's Day. So that's also highly requested. You know who you are. Coming soon, except on Mother's Day. Let me see if I can show you. But that, if you see that cut on my finger, I don't know if you can see it. Crab legs. Dangerous. It was so dangerous. I was bleeding. I had to put a glove on after. It was like a whole freaking thing. I was like, oh my god. And then I found another cut. I don't know if that, ooh. I don't know if that's from the crab leg or not. Probably is because it happened the same day. I just didn't notice it at the same time. Oh, I'm getting full, guys. It's the fries that do it to me. That's why, excuse me. That's why I don't be getting the fries all the time. But I got them for you guys. Come share. Sharing is caring. You gotta have some. Cause I don't want them all. Burger is burgering. Over that tomato. Mess. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Peace out till next time.